Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the session at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And today I will make video walking tour in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Hello, welcome to Bali. Welcome to Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the session works at the moment, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street by walking. And our journey today start from nearby the main gate to go to Lava Vela until to the shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street, just make sure watch the video until the end. Okay, let me show you around here. Yeah, over there is the main gate to go to Lava Vela. And as I told you, I start make from video from around Lava Vela until to the shopping center area in Seminyak Bali at Seminyak Square over there. Okay, let me show you how busy in this area today. Okay, this is the east part, red carpet, Lava Vela, and this is Kayu Aya Street. Let me show you how busy in this area today. I will make video start from the east part until to the west area on shopping center area in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. Not really busy, isn't it? Maybe nearby shopping center area will be busy over there. Hello, welcome to Bali. Yeah, this is new project. Wow, empty plot, empty land over there. Busy. That's good. You can see more tourists in this area. They're just really good, isn't it? Hello. Welcome to Bali, brother. Yeah, few tourists, they go to the restaurant. Across the street. That's good. Wow, so quiet in this area. What's happening? You see the traffic? Just nice. No so traffic jam. Not so busy. That's good. Hello, boss. Give me 5, boss. Woohoo! Give me 5. Wow, big boy, good. Hello. Yeah, we already see few trees in this area, and this is the Ultimo. Usually I was busy in this area. They're waiting for, waiting for the coffee. Sitting down and relaxing over there. But Yeah, now still very quiet over there. Sad. Really sad, isn't it?
Bali. It is about advertising promotion. You know we have a Seminyak office here. Yeah. On the Seminyak village on the top of the.
This is Hazy Hotel. And this is Turkish restaurant. And I already show you how the menu in this restaurant. Wow, not really busy. What's happening? Woo. See the sidewalk? You should be careful when you are walk around on the footpath because so many holes. Injured will be happening if you not be careful when you are walk around on the footpath in this area. Really sad, isn't it? Government, I hope, will see and do some action to repairing sidewalk in Bali. Wow, how come so quiet even in the restaurant? You're so busy. Really sad, isn't it? Wow, so strange. Even not busy, I hope this video will give you an information about the update station at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. See the footpath? Really sad, isn't it? It's happening also because there is a lot of motorbike just drive on this footpath. Across the street, left side, yeah, few trees over there, it's good. At the restaurant, Ambamun. And this is Nirvana, also still quiet over there. Actually, this is a nice restaurant we call Batik restaurant. I don't know why they are closing down, but actually it's just very nice food, Indonesian authentic food. But they are closed already. Really sad, isn't it? Hello, boy. Hello. Wow. It's already 2 months in Bali. It's very good weather. But today a bit cloudy up there. Hope no rain during the daytime. What do you think this area? Just really quiet, isn't it? Not really busy today. Really sad. Here and here. Future, they are doing shopping there. It's good. Rivco. How come so quiet? I don't know why. Ooh. Really sad. We hope together Bali is still back to normal and a lot of tourists come to Bali. Wah, ada di sini bos. Rame kayak? Rame? Ya, alhamdulillah. Empty. Quiet. What's happening? I hope you ever been this area, so you know exactly where we are at the moment. And also this video will bring you back memories when you are ever been doing shopping in Seminyak Bali. And maybe this video will let you know if you never been Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street, so you will have some option where you will stay during your trip in Bali. This is how I like Seminyak Bali, and actually I'm recommended to stay here because easy to find nice restaurant, easy to go to the beach, just walking distance, and also to the shopping center, to the shopping in Seminyak Bali because few art market in this area. Sorry, my English. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, it's good. Now it's getting busier because we are nearby shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Yeah, that's good. Even in the restaurant. Wow, 12 p.m. So quiet. Why? Yeah, now we are almost reaching the shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. Kayu Aya Square, Seminyak Square and Seminyak Village Mall, just exactly at the front over there.
Minor detail. How much was your bag when you came over?
Hello, wow. Not easy. The footpath, so many holes. Even me, I almost falling down. This is shopping center area in Seminyak Bali. This is Seminyak Square and this is Seminyak Village Mall over there. Ooh. Not bad. Okay guys, so this is our video today in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street walking tour. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's some people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the situation at the moment in Seminyak Bali on Kayu Aya Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali or from vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo. Seminyak Village.
Hey guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Wow, quite busy.